On occasion, debris or aggressive roots can potentially clog your overflow drain. We recommend you clear the overflow preventatively before repotting or in the case that your overflow is not working. If your planter is empty, start by placing your planter upside down. Use a metal rod, skewer, or wire hanger to clear it out. Do not use wood or plastic that could break inside the planter. This would only make the situation worse. If the planter is potted, we recommend first to open the main drain and empty the container of all the water to take weight out. Then either tilt the container or place it on the table with the overflow drain exposed so you can access it. This may take 2 people on the larger planters. Once you finish, reattach the plug on the main drain. We recommend you test it by completely filling and making sure water comes out through the overflow once the planter is filled.